Well, I was a fisherman. I fished all my life, up to a 60-year-old. Well, when I retired from fishing, I got the ground put there by a truck, made work for myself. I like that out around doing things. Get out the house, and like I say, I don't be in the house very much to me dinner and supper. You have to go while you can. I'll go on onion, beets, carrot, lettuce, and cucumber. Well, you keep them over in the cellar, we call it, root cellar. Better to have it in a root cellar. It's cool, down in the ground, cool. I knew about that all my life. My grandfather had one, my father had one. Well, first of all, I poured floor in with concrete, Then I got some second-hand building blocks. Those you do your basement with, and I put them around. Then I went and cut some logs and went to a sawmill, got it sawed, and put the house on top. That's about 15 years ago. My father had his down under the house, because he had never had need a basement. My house, our house, was built on a lot of big rocks. That's the only place they'd build back then, because they want their gardens for hay. See, they had cows, they had sheep, they had horses. So the worst piece of land they had to build a house on it, like rocky land. I think it keeps the food better. I can remember when they used to go moose hunting back. Well, I was only probably 4 or 5 years old. They would wait in the fall around Christmas or before, when you get the cold weather, and they'd get their moose and they'd hang their quarter meat out in their shed, and it wouldn't be frozen in the fridge, it'd be naturally froze, better meat. Now they won't freeze in the root cellar, That's insulating down the ground, it's warm down in the ground. You can feel the heat when I goes over to take the cover off to go down and get the vegetables. You can feel the heat coming up in your face. Potatoes and the onion. Well, I picked the lettuce. These corns I picked it because I only got one row there, so that's gone before the season is up. Apples, you bag your apples and put them over, and carrots. Only thing down the cellar, the potatoes, if you leave them through the summer, you grow what they call the root stocks, because it's warm down there, see? It gets warm. It gets warm enough for it to grow, but it's cooler down there than it is up here, but it gets warm enough that they start to grow that's their seed, Everybody here back before my times, everybody was a gardener and a fisherman. They used to fish and do gardens. That was what they called the good days.